Hey guys, and welcome back to StepDice, and it's Christmas, so I've got lots of unboxings to do. So today, we're going to be doing the Razer Deathadder Elite and the Razer Firefly cloth mouse mat unboxing. They go hand in hand. I'm very excited about this, so let's just do the mouse. Right, so this shouldn't be too long. Peels out. Got a lovely little Full Gamers by Gamers opening, peeling out. This just pops off, revealing our mouse. We also have some paperwork. Okay, yeah, we got two Chroma Razer stickers. Of course, your little letter with the paperwork. Now let's take a look at the actual mouse itself. It's a lovely little mouse. We'll do some ASMR. We have 9 programmable buttons and a 16,000 DPI sensor. For the next product, we have the mouse mat. Again, this is going to be like this. Very grand opening. I do like how they personally write you a letter. That's quite nice. We have the mouse mat itself. I think you have 11 programmable zones around it. You have your paperwork with 2 more Chroma stickers. So let's just go and plug these in and see what they look like. As you can see, it fits very nicely with the setup and fits very nicely with a headphone stand. And the RGB syncs up all through Razer Synapse. It also works with the keyboard since that's RGB as well. And I get a longer mouse mat. Pretty epic. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit that like button and comment down below for more unboxings. And if you really liked it, make sure you subscribe to our channel to keep updated on more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.